Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. In today's English class, we are going to discuss two grammar chapters. The two chapters are first, the sentence, and the second, punctuation. Sentence and punctuation. These are the two topics that we are going to discuss today. First, we will learn about sentences. What are sentences? Let us discuss first. Now, please look at the whiteboard. There are two lines that I have written. Let's look at them. The first one is, am I student A? Am I student A? These are some words that are arranged. But this does not mean anything. Listen to the words again. Am I student A? Am I student A? This is not a meaningful group of words. But if I arrange them and write it, I am a student. I am a student. Then this would mean something. So sentence is nothing but group of words arranged in a meaningful way. Group of word. That means multiple numbers of words which are arranged in a way that they mean something. They should have a meaning. Meaningless group of words will not be considered as sentence. Just like the first one. This is not a sentence. But when I arrange them in a meaningful way, then they will be called sentence. So sentence is group of words and they are arranged in a meaningful way. So this was about sentence. Now children, to write sentence, we need to know another thing that is very important. That is punctuation. Say with me, punctuation. Punctuation is a collection of rules that we need to follow while writing English. So let's look at the rules of punctuation as they are very important. If you do not follow punctuation, then your sentences will be incorrect. So to write correct English, we need to know about punctuation. Now children, in your class, in class 1, you have 3 rules of punctuation. So we will talk about 3 rules of punctuation. Let's look at them. The first one is capital letter. The first one is capital letter. Then we have full stop. Then we have full stop. And lastly, we have question mark. Question mark. So these are the 3 topics of punctuation that we will discuss today. So the first one, that is capital letter. Let us see when we will use capital letters. First, to begin. To begin any sentence, we need to use capital letter. So whatever you are writing, you will start the sentence with capital letter. Names of places and persons. If you have a word that is name of somebody or some place or some insect or something else, any particular name, suppose Ram or Kolkata or India, these are names of a particular person or place. We will use capital letter for them. Let us look at the other rules of capital letter. Next we have to write I. To write the word I, we need to use capital letter. We will not use small I to mention I. So whenever you are writing about yourself, you will write I, but that will be in capital. So I will always be in capital. And the last rule, names of days, months, etc. If you are going to write the names of days of week, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, any day, you will use capital letter. And if you are going to write the name of months like January, February, March, August, etc., we will use capital letter to begin that name. So, where to use capital letter? To begin a sentence, to write names of places and persons, to write I, and names of days, months, etc. We will use capital letter. This was all about capital letter. Now we will talk about the next rule, that is to use full stop. Full stop looks like this. This is just a small dot. When we use full stop to end a sentence. We use full stop to end a sentence when I am done. Suppose I am saying, Kolkata is a beautiful city. Now, here with the word city, I am ending the sentence and there I will put the full stop. Here I have written a small sentence. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. I have put full stop at the end of this sentence. So full stop will be used to end a sentence when you have done with the sentence. So this was full stop. Now the next one, that is question mark. When we use question mark when we ask something, when we are asking something. Question mark look like this. Now I have written a question. Is Sunday a holiday? Is Sunday a holiday? This is a question. So we have written question mark. So question mark will be used to end a sentence where we are asking something. So full stop and question mark. These are the two topics that we need to understand to write a sentence. So about sentences, we need to remember the three rules of capital letter, of full stop, and of question mark. And these three rules are called punctuation. These three rules are called punctuation. I hope you have understood today's class. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, take care.